Hi everybody, this is Amelia with the Ellenville Public Library and Museum, and this is today's craft with me. So today is World Running Day, and if you get our e-newsletter, you know that we accidentally put that it was Donut Day today, but it's not. So what we are going to do for Running Day is some DIY colorful shoelaces. Now, what you will obviously need for this first are shoelaces. Also, always remember to cover your work surface when you are painting or doing a messy craft with something like glue. So, we are going to need shoelaces and paint. So here we have a couple different choices of paint. We have some neon blue, some nice pink, orange, purple, some aqua, yellow, and we are also going to need a paintbrush. For this, you actually want a stiff, broad paintbrush if at all possible, but if you don't have one, that's okay. Ooh, found some green. Okay, now the thing to remember is that white stains really easily. So what we're going to be doing today is painting our shoelaces with color and then washing them. Part of the reason I personally don't like white shoelaces is that they very quickly get gross and dingy. So I'm going to make mine a rainbow. Now, what I'm doing, I am not actually washing my brush in between colors because I'm trying to do this sort of quickly. But if you want to go ahead and wash your brush between colors, that's fine. Hi everybody, welcome back. Okay, so I have finished both. This one has not been washed, and this one has. So as you can see, once it is washed, it becomes this really beautiful pastel. It's really, really nice. It's not as vibrant as this, but just with some warm water and washing it under the sink, it becomes this really nice pastel rainbow. And you can do this with any colors that you want, and it's a lot of fun. So thank you once again for crafting with me, everybody. I hope that you get a chance to run, whether that is around your block, in your neighborhood, using social distancing, or even just running in place at home. Thank you again for crafting with me. As always, please stay safe, stay healthy, and be good to each other. I'll see you next time. Bye!